I'm gonna show you how to make a Benassi sound. At first Benassi bass, and after this typical Benassi drums. Alright, so for the bass we simply use the 3 oscillator, and I already created the melody, which sounds like this. In the description of this video there's a download link, and this FLP, this project file, is included there, but I'm explaining the setting again for you. We only need this one oscillator, the other two we shut down. So we go on this shape and this down. So we got a bass, and then what I've added are on channel 5 the reverb on the preset late reflection, and then I've added a peak controller, and the volume of this reverb is linked to this peak controller. Right, so that means every time this Benassi bass is playing, at first the reverb goes low like this, and the reverb is getting his volume. So that's the effect. I can show you to you. So this right here has to be linked to this peak controller. And you see, if I'm pressing a key, this volume at first goes down. So I did this to get the more reverb effect in there. Yeah, that's to play around later to make effects too. And this free filter is just it's normally, for example, for the intro and things like that. So we got the Benassi bass. Let's see how it sounds together with drums. So like I told you in the video description, there you can download the sound kit, which is taken from my house electro tutorial. And I've took the typical kick, I'll place it here at the playlist. Okay, at first I'm just gonna let the melody playing, and I'm gonna filter it in there with the filter, create an automation clip, and like this. Alright, so here we are, let's hear to it. Alright, and the last for another effect for the bass, to play around with these knobs here. I'm gonna show you what I mean. I'm gonna record this automation on an empty pattern. Alright, that's it. Or you could take this knob, so just play around. And yeah, here I got this automation, how I played around with the knob, and that's it. Thank you for watching. I would appreciate the thumbs up, and if you favorite this video, see you at the next tutorial. Peace.